This is part 2 of the last video I did. It is time to make... Guess what it's time to make? If you were here in my last video. The rainbow slime with all my leftover slime bits. Okay. So let's get started. So I'm going to sit down and get started. Sorry, I cannot stop playing with this pink slime. It is so freaking soft. Okay. Sweet. Ah, Leilula. Leilula? What in the world? Okay. So now it's time to do that one. So I'm just gonna use any bowl. This one still has just a little bit of residue, but it's okay because actually that slime isn't gonna be mixed in because I don't have that color. That was my sister's color, but I will. And it's not gonna have a lot of slime in it because it's not gonna be a lot because there was just that much in that. So. Ooh. I didn't touch my tongue to it. I don't want to do that. I'm going to use a skewer to get some of the glue out. In my last video, Asia did this actually. I didn't really want her to, but it's okay because that slime is actually pretty good. Better than the one that I made. I don't have any more magical liquid. Oh well. I think I have a little bit. I think I have enough. Okay. Oh, that one's pretty empty. I'm not sure if this video has commenting abilities. I don't know. I get confused when I'm trying to I don't really edit them. I don't like editing my videos. It's just way confusing. But when I'm posting them, I don't know how to turn my commenting on. So, because I've had one video that I accidentally turned the commenting on and I don't know how to do that anymore, so. But maybe it's because you're supposed to be 13 before you go on YouTube. I'm almost there. Almost 13. Almost. I'll be 13 in about 3 months. Just kidding. I won't be 13 in 3 months. I'll be 13 in 3 years. So you can probably now guess my age. If I'm going to be 13 in 3 years, how old am I? Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay. You want to look at that one? That one I haven't gotten everything out. Okay. Oh, and I just put in the 2 metallics. What a coincidence. What's a coincidence? Comment, or if this video has commenting abilities, which I don't know yet, because right now I haven't posted the video. I don't know how. If you are one of my friends and you know how to make commenting a thing, if you go to my school, let me know. If you see me at church, let me know. Wherever you see me, let me know. Because I really need to know. And if you're at school, you know our schedule and we can do it in one of the free times. You can tell me how. And I can bring my phone and sneak a sneaky video of you guys saying hi, of all my class people saying hi. You know what? I could do that at recess at school. just make a video of everyone, like all my friends saying hi. Not all of them have to be my friends, just like a lot of kids in my class. Not exactly saying all because some of them are bums and will tell. I know Addie won't. Addie, if you're watching this, I know you won't tell because you do stuff that you don't want any of us to tell any teachers. So I'm pretty sure you can keep a secret. Nice. Well, that's all of them. That we have one more metallic for my sister. Oh, this one has a lot. Oh no, it doesn't. It has the same amount. I'm going right in with the stick. I'm not even gonna waste any time. Have you guys ever seen Fuller House? If you haven't, it's a really good show. They're coming out with new seasons in 2020. Not spring 2020, in just 2020. And I'm so excited and I cannot wait. Okay, so far it's turning pink. I haven't really mixed it, but it covered up all the blue, so. We have a lot of pink. How many pink things do we have? We have 3 different pink. Well, one's purple, actually, so. Oh. Sweet. Okay, well, that one's done. Just gonna. Okay, nice. Okay. Now I'm going to do this one. This is color changing. This is what you'd be like. Oh, well, now it decided to turn red. Yeah, I can show you. Oh, that dripped. Oh, well. This slime is going to be like color changing and... Is it going to be color changing and glow in the dark? Comment down below. If you can comment down below if you can, if you think that this is going to glow in the dark and color change at the same time. That's going to be the coolest slime. Like in the day when it's not dark and it's not charged, it'll change color, and then at night when it's dark and it's charged, it will glow in the dark. That would be the best slime ever, I think. And that one didn't have much in it, so I got most of that one out. Okay. Hey, blue glue. Blue glue now. Oh, I can see some of this. I think the transparent glue. I think the color changing one are supposed to be like kind of transparent because like they're clearer than others. So it's so pretty. Okay. I don't know if I'll have enough magical liquid. Oh, it's totally gonna turn like gray. I just mixed a little bit and it's like gray. Ew. It's totally turning gray. I have to clean my mom's phone after this. I've got slime all over it. Okay. So there's that one. Doot. Doot, doot, doot. What you doing? And this one, the other glow-in-the-dark one is, I don't think I can get anything else out of this one because Asia. demolish this one. Nope. Can't get very much out. Can get a few out. A few little specks. I actually cut the sides open. The side open on this. Yeah, this one did not. No. Oh, actually, there's quite a bit in there. Not quite a bit. Why did I say that? Okay. And then here, oh, this one has a lot. And this is the other glow in the dark. Oh, I can't even open it. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna wipe the glue on one of my slimes because I really don't care right now. I just wanna get this open. Okay, there we go. Okay, maybe it didn't have as much as, nope, it had as much as I thought. Less than I hoped, but more than I thought. Because I hope there's gonna be a lot in there because it was hard to get the slime out, or I mean the glue out. Okay, well, I don't want to be working at this all freaking night, so we're just gonna do that, get a little out, and that's all we're gonna do. Because I don't want to be sitting here all night trying to get glue out. And I'm going to switch to the golden spoon. Okay? I'm going to switch over to the golden spoon because it's actually really pretty. It's pretty. Like it's grayish pinkish. Like it's pretty. It's really sparkly and metallic. Because I have 3 different metallic glues in there. Oh, I do have quite a bit of magical liquid. That's fun. That's nice. Am I creeping you out? Am I creeping you out? I'm creeping myself out. Okay. I think I'm gonna go in with my hands. I'm just gonna. If you go to my school and you've seen this, and you've seen it, just, if you want to let me know that you've seen it, just say slime to me at a random time in class. Okay? And if you're my friend and you see me and you've seen this, say slime. Or if you've seen any of my videos, just come up to me. And like if it was a book video, tell me the name of the book at a random time. And if it was the one that says it's crazy part 1, crazy part 2, just say crazy, no reason. Like just come to me, hi crazy, and I'll be like, I'll be like, and then if it's my beginning video, which I don't think anyone watches anymore, I posted that last year. If it's my beginning video, then say, oh, you got office referrals. No, I showed 1 office referral. Now I have 3, but I lost the one that I got in my beginning video. I don't know where that went. Okay. Oh, my arms hurt. And I'm not even doing a lot of slime. Well, actually, I take that back. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different slimes today. I was only planning on doing 6, but I did 9. Well, actually, I did 8 because Asia did 1. No, 9 because I did mix that one. I did help mix, and that's the part that it gets tiring is mixing. Actually, I did 11, actually, because I split the bright pink one, like the pretty pink one, into 3 different groups, and then I did those. So each group would count as 1 because I mixed them 3 different times. I'm going to try to get most of the slime out of here and in to that little pile right there. And then I'm going to put them in bags, and then I'm going to go show my parents and Larry and Asia. Larry and Asia. They're not related to me. And they are also, Asia doesn't live in Grand Island. She lives like 45 minutes away. And then Larry lives in town. He lives near our church. Hi, Bum. My sister just came up the stairs. Ooh. Hey, and if you're someone from my school, please don't make fun of me. I know, I'm hilarious and I'm stupid. These videos are probably really cringy. And it's cringy me saying that it's cringy and that's cringy and I'm dumb. So yeah. You want to see yourself? The golden spoon. What you doing? I scared her. She knew I was here because I haven't moved in 17 minutes. And this is part 2. Making 1 slime. So comment down below what's 17 times 8. What's 17 times 8? Do that math equation. And if you figure out the answer and you know me and you see me in a random time, tell me the answer, okay? Okay. I wish I knew how to do polls so I could do, hey, yeah, look up in this poll. I don't know which side, so I'm just going to do this poll. I'm pretty sure it's this side. I don't know. Comment down below if you hate my videos.
I love your videos.
I hate them.
I don't watch them. I just watch something else.
Yeah, I know. I think tonight I'm going to post this video, and then I'm going to watch it on my TV. I'm going to watch my ugly video.
No, it's not your TV. It's my TV.
I don't care. Well, I think that's it today, so I'm going to clean this up, and then I will be back. Okay, I decided to, I decided to put them in bags in front of you guys, so I'm just gonna cap that. So, I will show you them, and I'm not gonna name them now. So this is the one where we mixed all of the different glues together. There's the color. And so I'm gonna grab a bag. I have to get 2 more bags. Because I made extra slime because Amelia's. And I also came up with the idea of doing that. Like, mixing all of the other slime. I don't know. Okay, so I'm closing that. So that's that slime. And next I will do the blue. Okay. I forgot which one this was. Here, I know how to find out. So if you forget which one's like your metallic or glow in the dark or changing color, if you have a UV light or a black light, if you shine it on there, if it changes color, it's your changing color. If it's metallic and it doesn't do anything, it's metallic. I think you'd know which one's metallic and which one's which fit. So, I don't know. Oh, my metallic's over there. I'm dumb. Okay, well, that one changes color. So what's your changing color one? So, I think I'm gonna say this is blue grape. I'm gonna name it blue grape. So it's blue, and then you like shine this on. And then it's purple like a grape. Blue grape. Comment. If you know me, tell me if blue. Okay, well, it looks like I'm going to need an extra bag because that bag just broke. Let me know if that blue grape is a bad name. I feel like no one's actually going to, like, tell me that they watched this video and they want to answer all these questions. So, yeah. And I'm talking about Kiliana, Addie, and Lexi. If you're watching this, yes, you three. Oh, I really hope you three aren't watching this, though. I don't think Lucy would ever watch this, though. Lucy, if you are, you're probably not, though. Hi. I know. This is the ugly side of me. Wait, why am I saying the ugly side of me? Both sides are ugly. My home side and school side are ugly. I call my home side whatever I do at home, and my school side what I do everywhere else. Alright. So I'm going to grab another bag. And this one is my glow-in-the-dark purple slime. Oh, actually, you know what would be a nice name for this is glow grape. Glow grape. Glow grape. I think I'd call this one Wild Berry, the one that has all of them. Okay. I'm just kind of making up things. Suggestions. Ow! Okay, I'm going to show you my favorite slime of all. So I'm just going to put this on here. This is, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. My favorite slime. It's like soft. Even the color just looks soft. So. You know what? I haven't done a slime swirl in this video. So I'm going to do it with my favorite slime. On top of my finger. This one is a little sticky, which I think I'm going to activate it just a tiny bit. And I also think I'm going to go activate my sister's of this because I want hers to be pretty firm because I don't want her sticking everywhere into everything. But this one is going to be hard to keep activated because it does have another activator in it and lots of water. So, you know what'd be funny is if in every one of these videos I showed my face. I just blurred out my face and then I posted them. I don't know how to blur anything because if it did, I'd blur my face probably a lot. And I'd post a video of me, my mom, dad, and Barry. I'd blur right here because you can see stuff. And I'd blur my parents out because they're not fond of being in my videos. And they were just laying on the couch. So, oh, it's even soft in the bag. Okay, we'll go pink metallic up here. All right. So this one is the pink metallic one. It's really pretty. I like it. Why do I keep smelling them? They stink. I'm tired. And I'm also thirsty. Ugh. So what do you do when you're tired and thirsty? You drink coffee. It's a vanilla Malta. A vanilla frappuccino from Starbucks. It's by Starbucks, but it's from Walmart. I can hear my dad yelling about football. Ooh, gross. I hate football. I don't absolutely hate it. It's just not my favorite sport. I don't really like sports, but if I had to choose one, it would totally be soccer. I used to play soccer, actually. Alright, so I gotta grab some more baggies. I think I'll grab 3 just in case, because, well, I have to grab 3, so I'm gonna grab 4 just in case one breaks, because I do not want to get up again in the middle of this video. You guys probably hate me for keep getting up and getting down. And all you see is this ugly background. Get up, get down, see my ugly background. Get up, get down, see my ugly background. Get up, get down, see my ugly background. I'm horrible. I'm horrible. I'm surprised that didn't break. But I'm happy it didn't break. Because I have a feeling one of those are going to break. On me. Mom. My mom's going up the stairs. Mommy, have you felt that pink slime? Like the one that you guys are trying to activate, and I activated it. It's right there. It feels so good. Amelia gave me some. It's my favorite slime out of all of the slimes I made today. And I made a lot of different slimes. It feels so great. And then, Mommy, this slime, because she didn't find the lids. I think that's why. And this slime is all my leftover glue, because I had them upside down. And so I put all of the leftover glue in one. I didn't think I'd like the color, because I thought it would be like really gray. But it's like, kind of it's purple. Pretty. It's like pretty. I like it. That's my UV light.
I like it.
Okay, let's machine this one down. Oh, by the way, this one is color changing or glitter. It's color changing. I can already see the color change. Oh yeah, way color change all the way. That one looks kind of gross. Get up, get down. Yeah, nice. So that was that. So that means the last one is my yellow glow-in-the-dark slime. Oh, I'm putting these down. Oh, feels so weird. So this is my yellow glow-in-the-dark. It's kind of spongy, but that's okay because my slimes are horrible. Actually, Asia made this one too. This one's spongy too. Way spongier than this one. What you doing? Ah! I'm going to put this one in. And I'm going to go downstairs and I don't think I'll record my dad's reactions on how many slimes I made. And I only was supposed to make 6 today. And I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. Get up, get down. Mom, I sang this to them because I was like, you guys probably hate me for getting up and seeing my ugly background. I knew it. One of these are gonna pop. I am such a genius.
Literally, I'm getting
But earlier, you probably said it like 10 times. I'm so stupid.
Hey.
No.
Stick with the I'm genius.
Well, I guess not. They already threw it somewhere. Okay, so Mom, I was singing this to them. I said, get up, get down, see my ugly background.
over there. I play with kitchen head.
Mom, because I kept getting, because I was getting up to get bags. I was getting up to get bags because I forgot, because I didn't know I was making so much extra. And, stop. Okay, so, I was singing this to them, and I was singing, get up, get down, see my ugly background, because I kept getting up. And so I was like, get up, get down, see my ugly background. It's actually not pretty ugly, actually. It's not that ugly. I've had uglier backgrounds. Like in my beginning video, the background of my whole entire kitchen. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know if in that video my kitchen was green or not. But now our kitchen is green.
I'm so tired.
Alright.
I want to go to sleep.
Don't go to Okay, so we have, I'll have to, actually, I'm going to get markers and I'm going to, see, get up, get down, see my ugly background, get up, get down, see my ugly background, get up, get down, see my ugly background, and hear me sing probably something you don't really want to hear right now. Get up, get down, see my ugly background. Okay, I'm back! Because I just got up and then I got down. And you got to
Because
see my
I say
ugly
the same things 100 times.
Shut up, please. So this one is the glow-in-the-dark yellow slime.
Literally.
So what should I call this one? Something glow. Lemon glow. Lemon glow. Lemn. Lemon glow.
I'm losing my mind. They said they're
Lemon. I don't think I spelled that right. Lemon glow.
choosing a
So this one,
winner, like 4 hours.
metallic.
And I want to know who
This is a metallic pink.
Because I looked through and they only like
Matte
my
pink.
comments.
Matte.
So does that mean I won? I don't know.
Shimmer. I'm gonna say shimmer pea. Shimmer pea. That sounds wrong. Shimmer pink.
Pink shimmer.
Oh, that one's way better.
Sometimes it just takes 2.
P-I-N-K. That's how you do it. Pink. Shimmer.
You know what?
Pink shimmer. This one is bubblegum. No. Bubble.
Do bubble bath.
No.
That's not how you spell bubble.
I
There's
don't
an
really
E.
care.
Just add an E at the end.
Bubblegum. This one, glow grape glow.
Should let me name this one and this one without you knowing.
No.
Yeah.
Well, I already have a name for that one. Wild berry. Okay, so this one is glow grape. Glow grape. Oh, I just did that. Messed up. 8. Glow grape. That was spelled so wrong and so sloppy. Glow grape. This one, metallic blue. I'm gonna do blue shimmer. I have blue shimmer, pink shimmer. Well, what are you wanting to name that one?
It's going to be a surprise.
No, you have to.
You'll like it. I'm telling you.
Okay, but you can't write it on there. I have to write it so I know. Okay, so
Then there's no point as a surprise. If you don't like it, you can get a different bag.
Blue. No, because I'm gonna have pink shimmer and blue shine.
Okay. And
Nice. All right. One
if you
last
don't
thing.
like it, you can
I'm
put it in a
naming this
different bag.
blue grape. Blue grape. I already did it. Blue grape. Blue E-W. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Oh well. Blue grape. Okay. Blue grape. So let's see what she names it. She's writing. Ooh. Oh, and I have to name this one, and I'm naming it Wildberry. So, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys all next time. Don't forget to... Wait, what does it say?
Sunflower pineapple.
Okay, I like that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys all next time. Thank you, Asia, for participating. And thank you, Amelia, for participating. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the post notifications on. Yeah, well, bye-bye. Mwah!